I think I might have reached the limit on how many times I'm allowed to slick back my hair in a week. So today is definitely hair wash day, and I want to show y'all my pre-wash day routine. This is what I do every single time before I wash my hair. Y'all know how much I swear by hair oiling. I started doing this a couple months before my wedding, and that's how I was able to grow my hair super long. I feel like I've gotten a lot of you guys onto it too because I rave about it so much and it actually just works. So this is the Fable and Mane Holy Roots hair oil. It's a pre-wash treatment oil, and it works by strengthening your hair from the roots by stimulating scalp circulation, and it smells so good. And then we're gonna massage from root to tip. I always try to get right here in the front since I slick back my hair a lot. I have caused some receding. I also like to do it on my ends because it's so hydrating. I like to slick it back in a claw clip while I let it sit for like an hour or so. Actually, the best way to do it is let it sit while you're at the gym and then come back and wash your hair. I'm gonna go do some laundry while I let this sit. Okay, I just quickly gave myself a blowout. This is why I swear by hair oiling. My hair has never been this strong and healthy.